Yo, what up YouTube hackers? This is your boy Daddy Easy here, iPod jailbreak hacker, otherwise known as only using the tomahawks. Some of y'all may know me as Easy, like I always say, to the black, to the blue, to my avatar on my YouTube channel. Yeah, buddy, I know I kind of said that shit really fast, guys, but went to Best Buy and I picked this up. Now, the reason why I picked this up is I was doing something with one of my other controllers and I kind of like broke something on it. I was able to get a new controller free of charge. Good thing I'm still in warranty and got insurance on my stuff. So no matter how many of these I break, I can always go back in and get another one. So we actually went and got this. This is the same PlayStation 4 Elite controller. So we're just gonna do this. Open this up real quick. And y'all know that I was trying to do a replacement for the analog sticks towards these new ones, and I found out that basically these new controllers have a glass in it that basically, and my hands is getting all ashy and crap, god damn it. So this is the new controller. Just gonna throw this off the way, put it on the floor. There we go, get that out the way. So power this up. There we go, light indicator right there. Stay not is on. Okay, there we go right there. So what we're gonna do is we're going to hopefully this time get the body off of it without breaking the damn screen thingamajig. And so what I'm gonna have to do is I'm gonna have to do something a little bit different. I don't have my prying tool with me, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to use a my membership card for my gaming chair, which is full steel. So if I can get it out from my wallet, there we go. That's full steel. As you heard, the material when I dropped it on the table, it have a metallic sound. I keep this in my wallet. I have 3 of these cards because I have 3 of these chairs. So let's just get this out. So as you can hear, this is full metal, and actually this is the first time I actually looked at it like that. Oh shit, that's what's up. You know, drop something on it like that and spray paint it. That's what's up. So gonna leave that to the side. And where's my screwdriver? Here we go, right here. So I already took apart one of these, this part right here, because I originally had these already inside of it. So let's just take apart this baby real quick, and we're going to try to open this thing up completely different from how I did it before. Hopefully I succeed on doing it. Just move something out the way really quick. Okay, so one screw down, 3 more to go. Break this. Now hopefully when I do this thing, I don't crack the screen like I did before. There we go. Okay, there we go, all the screws here. Gonna use this to keep our screws on it. Keep it in place. So here's the moment of truth. Let's try to get this thing open without breaking the LED screen that's right there. So here we go. Wow, this one is actually a little bit different. Okay, pop that up in. Okay, that's popped. Now let's pry it open slowly. Just want to get that part open. glass is basically right there, so what I'm trying to do is pry this part open without damaging anything. Okay. It's always the first time when you do this, it's always the problem of opening it up. There we go. Heard that pop right there. Let's get this one inside. There we go. I heard all the popping sounds. Look like we're good to go. Look like I ain't cracked nothing. Look like that's good. That's good. One last part to pop. Okay, everything is open. Everything is up. Okay. Now here's the part of truth. Gotta be real careful. Now the part is that part right there to pop that open. So I gotta go off camera real quick, guys. I gotta go off camera because I gotta see what I'm doing, and I'm on an angle. Okay, that's good. It's always the first time trying to get this thing off. That's where you have that problem at. Okay, there we go. We're good to go. It's pried off. It's popped. Now let's just raise this thing up. Okay, look like this part right here locked back. So I'm gonna just pry it. There we go. There we go. And I did it without breaking the screen this time. Yes. And let's just move that ribbon. There we go. Disconnected it, no problem. So this is the part I actually broke off before. As you can see right there on the screen, I actually snapped it before. So I actually know how to go about doing this now without breaking it. So I'm gonna have to go get me a prior tool, which I could probably get it at like Dollar Tree for like $1. It's just a simple tool. Now this, it's just worrying about any damages and stuff like that. It's actually a good pull off. So yeah, that's good. So like I said, the stuff is different. If you watch my previous video, I basically described basically this and stuff, everything, how everything happened. Give me a second, let me just put more light over here so you guys can see it a little bit more better. There we go. And we're gonna start taking things apart and putting these inside. So what you really want to do is take this and hook it, pinch. Make sure you don't pull the cord when you're doing this, because you don't want to pull this out of the sockets. Here you go, right here, your battery. And next thing that you want to do is get one of your flats right here and just lift, boom, move that to the side. Now I keep telling you guys, I've taken apart a lot of these controllers with no problem. I do a lot of modifications to controllers. I do have people that come there telling me I don't know what I'm doing when it comes to this. I know how to take apart this whole board, ribbon, replace the speakers if you damaged it. I've repaired so many controllers that in my local location, I do have a little business that I repair PlayStation 4 controllers and mod controllers where I'm at. So yeah, so here's a little bit of that debris from me trying to prior it. That's good. So let's get back to removing the thumbsticks and putting it in. First thing you want to do is remove this ribbon. So just take, pinch, pull, I have no more fingernails, so there we go. Okay. Now we're gonna unscrew this. There we go. Drop that right there. Remove this off. And so. Now I wanted to replace this. Take this and put it on this body shell, but I can't. What I'm going to do in the future is I'm going to actually spray paint the top part. Just take it outside and spray paint and stuff like that. But this is way different. But this is not the part we're going at. We want to change the thumbsticks. If y'all don't know, the ribbons is actually a different color. The other ones used to be real green and stuff like that. So there we go with that one. Let's get the screws off of this. There we go. This one goes to this side. Well, it doesn't really matter where you put it at. What I'm doing is I'm just playing with the stick real quick. You see how it feels when I rotate it. Okay, I don't like it that way. Okay, there we go. So that's smooth right there. Just get these screws off of here. I already know where everything goes at for this, so got 8 minutes left to this video. Okay, that feels good to me. Yeah, that feels good. You know what, to double check, let me just flip it around real quick. Yeah, I'm gonna flip it back. There we go. I know I'm kind of off screen while I'm doing this. Okay, that feels good. Okay, put that back on here. Put this back in. Just gotta make sure that that ribbon comes into place while I'm pushing it in. Okay, there we go, locked into place, and so there we go. And now what we're going to do is plug everything back up, put that in, screw inside here. Okay, you don't want to over tighten the board. So sorry if I keep going off screen while I'm moving everything. It's just I'm trying to keep it in my field of view, so I make sure I don't make no errors. So take that ribbon, push that inside as so. Okay, take it back out. Make sure I line it up correctly before I push it in, because I don't want to strip any needles at the bottom. Then I'm gonna have to go out and replace the ribbon. Case in. Push in, that's locked in, good to go. Controller's good. I do like these new push switches, as you can see right here. Damn, my hand is getting ashy. Keep rubbing against stuff. Don't do what I'm doing. I got some alcohol that I'm just gonna rub on my fingertips real quick, just so I can get some moisture off my hand real fast. Just giving myself a second before I touch anything else. Okay. So everything's in, everything's in place. Thumbsticks is in. Everything look like it's locked down. And here's one of the problems right there. So I gotta unsafe in this thing real quick, because the PlayStation button is actually look like it's jammed. There we go. Didn't really have to do much, just had to loosen it up a little, just flick the button real quick to get it in place. Okay, not over tighten it, make sure that button is good. Okay, all that feels good. Now when you put it back in, remember ribbon goes facing this way now. Used to go out that way, but this time blue ribbon is going that way. So what I'm gonna do is pop this back on here, and so I like to twist mine real quick so I don't get snagged or anything. Put that back into place. Make sure this hooks inside. There we go. Put the ribbon back inside. I gotta go off camera real quick just so I'll be able to hold this and slide it in. Just making sure that I don't bend any of the needles. Okay, everything's in, everything's locked in place. Now we're just gonna come up top, slide this in, as so. Make sure this slides in to the point right there. But before I lock it down, let's power it on. Make sure it's working. Okay, everything looks like it's good to go. So there we go. Everything's locked down. So before I screw the screws back in, sorry if I'm moving the camera, guys, but I need to plug it into my PlayStation real quick. Okay, just bear with me for a second, guys. Alright, everything looks like it's working. Gonna put this in Bluetooth mode. Okay, that's running. That's working. It's in Bluetooth mode. Let me just turn on my PlayStation. Okay. Just gonna plug this in real quick. Okay, there we go. Good to go. Everything's working. So we're gonna just throw this thumbstick on. Throw this one on. Right there. And there we go. Just turn this down real quick. And there we go. Everything's working. So there we go. Put a new buttons on the new PlayStation 4 controller. I need to clean my thumbsticks, but I got like 1 minute left before my video stops. Just bear with me for a second, guys. I'm just cleaning the analog stick real quick. Which I should do this off camera, but only takes a matter of a few seconds. There we go. A little 50% rubbing alcohol. This is what I use to clean a lot of my stuff. Like when I'm cleaning my CPU and stuff like that. Just clean this off a little. Get the excess scuff off of here. And there we go. Full working PS4 Pro controller with the blue bar, and with the new Xbox One Elite removable buttons right there. So guys, I will catch you guys later. Make sure you rate, comment, subscribe. I'm so used to saying that. Make sure you thumbs up, like it, comment, subscribe. Make sure you subscribe, and I can make more videos like this for you guys. So it's your boy Daddy Easy here, iPod Jailbreak Hacker, only using Tomahawks, and I'll catch you guys later. Peace, deuces, and one. Holla.